On Armed Forces Day this year, I want to pay a special tribute to all of those who have done so much to keep Wales safe during the coronavirus pandemic. It has been an extraordinary period in so many ways. At any other time, it would have been extraordinary indeed to have seen the offices of the Welsh Government populated by many men and women in uniform. But at the height of the pandemic, we all became very familiar with the direct participation of our armed forces personnel in so many aspects of the emergency. From planning and logistics, to driving ambulances and staffing mobile testing units, from getting vital PPE to care homes, to helping deliver Wales's world-leading vaccination programme, you have been there. As Armed Forces Week draws to a close this year, we say a heartfelt thank you, diolch yn fawr, for all you have done and go on doing for us as a nation.